We are introducing our first advanced IoT development kit for those who want to build an expertise on cutting-edge technologies. This board is equipped with following peripherals: ARM-based Raspberry Pi Zero, ESP, 2 colors 6 LED, 2 5-volt relays, OLED, motion sensor, pulse oximeter, GPIOS headers which can be used to interface more peripherals like I2C, UART and SPI interfaces. We have developed the HMI interface in Python where user can configure both the Raspberry Pi and ESP over the UART interface. HMI software is compatible with Linux, Windows and macOS. We have tested this development kit on dummy house prototype. This board is tested and compatible with both the Amazon and AWS IoT services. For more information, contact us on